main causes of negative physiological changes in plants are temperature, water, light, salt and pesticide stress caused by environmental factors or human actions. Their negative impact on crops causes the development of diseases, pests, necrosis, chlorosis, quality decreasing and marketability of products. It leads, in their turn, to the total reduction in yield, and with the excessive affection, it leads to damage or even to the complete death of plants. As we know, amino acids play an important role in stress resistance, especially provide restoration of active metabolism. Therefore, our expert agronomists analyzed the negative impact of abiotic factors on the agricultural crop productivity and the ways of elimination, and together with the leading chemists of Wonder Company, created two types of fertilizers based on amino acids of plant origin, with the addition of trace elements according to the monocot and dicot crop groups. Wonderleaf Orange was created specifically for the grain group of crops such as wheat, barley, oats, triticale, millet, rice, sugarcane, corn and others. It includes enlarged content of amino acids, zinc and copper, as these crops have the highest consumption index of such elements. Wonderleaf Orange contains 7% phosphorus water-soluble, 5% potassium water-soluble, 16% sulfur water-soluble, 0.5% boron water-soluble, 6% zinc water-soluble, 5% copper water-soluble, 0.05% molybdenum water-soluble, 2% iron water-soluble, 4% manganese water-soluble, 18% amino acids of plant origin, pH 3.0. Wonderleaf Green formula was created for a dicot group of crops: rape, sugar beet, sunflower, soybeans, potatoes, vegetable crops, fruit, berries and others. It contains 15% amino acids and a balanced amount of boron, zinc and copper. Wonderleaf Green had the following composition: 7% phosphorus water-soluble, 5% potassium water-soluble, 16% sulfur water-soluble, 2% boron water-soluble, 2% zinc water-soluble, 2% copper water-soluble, 0.05% molybdenum water-soluble, 2% iron water-soluble, 4% manganese water-soluble, 15% amino acids of plant origin, pH 3.4. So you could choose the exact formula for your crops. More detailed info concerning development phases and application rates is in the table. If there are any questions left, or you'd like to order your Wonderleaf Orange and Wonderleaf Green, our manager is always there for you. Like and subscribe to always be aware of our agro-innovations. Wonder, and the earth is proud.